Hey. Hey, y'all. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey. Hey, hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Ooh, 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 ooh. Y'all know how I'm feeling. Y'all already know how I'm feeling. This wig got me in my feelings. I'm definitely feeling myself with this wig. So today in this video, I am doing two colors for y'all. I'm doing two flaming hot colors. I'm talking bright colors. Bright colors. I'm doing this pink and I'm doing an orange. I'm also giving you two different wig reviews in this video. I'm doing the LACHAN, I think that's her name, LACHAN, and I'm also doing Akeeva. That's a newer one. So, you know, we got two different ones. Let you know how I feel about them. Before we get started, make sure you give this video a thumbs up for me, you know. Thumbs up for your girl for doing the pink. Hit that subscribe button and I'm gonna show y'all how I put this wig on and I'm gonna talk to y'all in a little bit. This wig and woo! I got this wig, y'all, because lately people have been telling me that orange is my color, so I have been embracing the orange and I'm happy I stepped outside of my box. Woo! Neon! So this is the first wig that you guys saw in the thumbnail. This is a newer wig from Sensationnel. Let me go ahead and give you some specs. I'm looking all over the place. I'm lost, y'all. Hold on. Where are my cards? Can't find nothing. So this is Miss Akeeva, okay? I have the color Neon Orange. Y'all all gonna be wearing orange after this video. I took a risk with this orange and I'm happy that I did. It says that it has a HD lace. It's from the Shear Muse collection. The Shear Muse collection, if you're not familiar with that, with Sensationnel, your brighter wigs. I have reviewed a few wigs from this collection in the past and the colors are bomb. Like, if you're not ready for color, this collection is not for you. I was hesitant to get this wig because Sensationnel's Empress lace wigs are a little snug to me, but that's just kind of how I feel. But y'all let me know what y'all think about that. But I got this one. Shout out to Mimi Carvel and Jay Dunn. I'll leave a link to her channel and Mimi Carvel's channel. Mimi be slaying all them colors, okay? She'll make those synthetic wigs look like human hair wigs, okay? So Mimi, shout out to you, girl. And Jay, y'all are like the queens of neon colors. Y'all are not afraid, and I am happy that you passed it on to me because woo! So this one is your bob. This is a really short bob. It's an inverted kind of angled bob. I don't like bobs, but this is still cute though. It's still cute. I like it. You know, it's nice. I just feel like sometimes I can't wear a bob, but then I put it on and I'm like, boom, girl, oh, you look good. So it's angled right here. It's really short in the back, and then it kind of tapers down here. You're gonna get two combs right here. You get that lace part in the middle. I didn't tint this lace. I just went in with a little bit of powder. It does come with some baby hairs. I put some baby hairs on it only because I love seeing colored wigs with baby hairs. I don't know, that's just me, but that's that. I did go in with my Kufon lace holding spray, and it secured this wig really good, y'all. I know I've been going back and forth between my Ebin and this. I was like, you know what, why did I stop using this? Only because I had something new. You know, you get a new toy, you forget to play with your old stuff. So I still like this lace tint spray. Just to be clear, I still like it. It did give me a good melt. I did not go in and melt this wig all the way down on the sides because, you know, I got two wigs to do for y'all, so I only did the front here. But I'm going to go and jump into the other wig. So this one is an older one from the Shear Muse collection that I'm going to jump into, but I'm going to jump into that one. It's a longer one, and I'm going to wrap it up with my final thoughts and let y'all know how I feel. Alright, y'all, so I am back with this one. I think her name is LACHAN or LACHAN. I'm not sure how you say it, but do y'all see this wig? So this one, again, is from the Shear Muse collection. This one came out before the other one. I think this one came out about 2 years ago, but I wanted to kind of put them both in the same video because one is longer and one is shorter, you know? And I also wanted to see if it changed with like the Shear Muse collection from what I know it. So let's go ahead and talk about it. So this is a straight silky wig. She's definitely silky. This is what she's looking like. And then in the back, yeah, I never like took so many pictures in my life. I was so terrified of trying a color and a neon color at that. And y'all, this wig will, this wig, I don't know what to say. I really don't know what to say. Until you try a wig like this, I'm speechless. I'm really speechless. I just want to let you guys know that this one, LACHAN, is the same exact cap construction as the other one. You're going to get two combs right here. It's only going to be that lace part in the middle. As far as the frontal goes, there's no real frontal here. You know, it is some lace in the front, and I did the baby hairs. That's just personal preference. You don't have to do that. I love the fact that I can play with this bright old color and look over here like Nicki Minaj, because that's exactly who I feel like right now. And I have to break the bank. Like, these wigs were only under $35, and you can play, you can experiment with color. I do want to go get a blue one. Like, now I'm like, oh, I'm feeling myself. LACHAN, as far as the colors go, her color palette is definitely a little bit more to choose from than this is the newer one. You see how the color palettes are a little bit different. So the older one definitely gave us a little bit more options. This is LACHAN, and this is Akeeva's color palette. So you're going to get a little bit more colors with LACHAN versus Akeeva, but you still get nice colors in here. My husband and my kids came home real quick, and they were looking at me like, Mama, what you doing? Woo! He said, I'm a dance hall queen. I'm a dance hall queen with this one dirty stinking gal. Oh my goodness, this is a brave wig. This not for anybody that's just looking for a regular old wig. This is definitely a statement wig. This is I'm here wig. This is don't play with me. You know, this is that wig. And if you want to experiment with color, if you wanted to dye your hair a certain color, I tell you guys all the time, experiment with a synthetic wig and then jump into your human hair wig, or jump into your color that you're trying to dye your hair, you know? Play with the synthetic wigs first and then go from there. I love the fact that this wide range of colors to play with, all these neon bright colors, and I have to break the bank. Initially, when I pulled these wigs out the pack, I'm not gonna lie, I was a little scared. I was like, I felt like, is this a Halloween wig? What's going on? But nah, this wig is fire, y'all. This wig, I got swag. That's what the kids say. I wore this Hey Arnold shirt to make it look like I'm young. This wig is giving me all kind of life. And again, this lace tint spray that I use, this Kufani lace tint spray, I still like this spray. I do recommend using a little bit of spray because this wig, to me, it's not that big. Ooh, my hand is itching. I'm about to get some money. Ooh. So to me, this wig isn't that big. I wish it was a little bit bigger. It is a lot of room back here to stretch it. So what I did realize with these wigs is all the stretch is back here. As far as the lace goes, it's right here and it feels really tight, but you kind of have to pull the wig from the back. So keep that in mind, but it is really snug. But once you secure this wig, she ain't going nowhere. She ain't gonna be sliding back on you. She is not gonna be sliding. They gonna be looking at you in aisle 5 in Target. They ain't gonna be talking about your wig sliding. They gonna be thinking you a superstar in Target. That's what they gonna be thinking. This wig is extremely silky. She definitely is silky and requires a little bit of wig spray or serum. You're gonna have to walk around with a brush or something. I definitely do feel like this wig, it's not really tangling on me right now, but it is gonna tangle. It's a synthetic wig, you know, it's synthetic, sis. But she's cute. She's gonna give you that look. She's gonna give you that I paid $500 for my wig, but I only did 30, you know? There's no yak in here, y'all. There's no yak. This is a silky straight wig. This is like doll hair. It is that silky. It's extremely silky, but I like it though. It works for the style. There are no natural colors in this, so if you want natural, this is not the wig for you. Again, shout out to Jay and shout out to Mimi Carvel. I'm gonna leave a link to both of their channels because if you want color, they be slaying them colors. Y'all let me know which color was your favorite or which style was your favorite, or even if you wear a wig like this or if you would not wear a wig like this. Why not? Because I definitely am okay to try any color right now. I thought that 613 that I tried was it, but once you try color, this is, I'm feeling real bright, feeling real bold in this. I'm shocked. I'm shocked I like this wig. I'm really shocked. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. You know, we got a lot of content over here. Wig reviews, makeup, skincare, whatever you need, it's over here. So subscribe. You're going to come back. Until next time, I'm going to talk to y'all later. Bye.